So Facebook is asking us to verify our domain, right? So I'm going to one of my many ads manager, and this is the video number 4 of a series about how to set up your Facebook ad machine, starting with your business manager, your ads manager, your pixel, and now how to verify your domain. So you may see this when you are on your business manager. Apple recently announced changes with iOS14 that may negatively impact ad measurement and performance. Apple announced these changes will be released soon, but didn't provide a specific date. We create resources center to help your business respond to these changes. We suggest completing tasks in your resource center. Now, one of the tasks that is related to this change, and I'm not going to go deep on the why Apple and Facebook, but what I mean is that it has a kind of a consequence that we have to get our domain name verified so that Facebook let us run ads. So if you see that message here, you can, I'm going to show you. First step is you're going to click on those dots here. And then I go to Events Manager. Boom. You should open my Events Manager. And then from here, you should see that new feature here, Aggregated Event Measurement. So I'm going to click on this. And then it says configure web events. So these events are processed through the aggregated event measurement protocol. Don't worry about the jargon. Once Apple releases its changes for iOS 14, you will receive data from these events. So before that, it's to help you track people who go on your website, basically. Then you have to verify your domain. So if I want to verify angeliquebinet.com, you're going to click there, verify domain. Then you do verify domain, click on there, and Facebook gonna provide you with a angeliquebinet.com with a piece of code. Let's see, it works or not. It should. Let's go back to my domain, brand safety. Just want to go back so that I don't that source right there. I don't want to confuse you too much because it can be confusing. But basically, where's my Angelique Cuisine? Right there. Okay, I'm going to go back to where I'm coming from here. Event Manager. That's my way. There are different ways to go there, but this is how I do it. And then I'm going to go to this here, Aggregate Configure Website. And it should give me, I don't know why it doesn't give it to me, manage domains. It should give me a piece of code. I've done it with many ads manager. Yeah, here we go. That's my piece of code. So you follow the step by step, and then you copy and paste this here. Push this piece of code here. Sure. And then once it's there, you copy and paste it and you send it to the person who's in charge of developing your website. Maybe you're on WordPress, maybe you are on Squarespace, maybe you are on something else. Maybe you don't have someone that can help you. There are multiple tutorials if you Google or YouTube. But if you're with WordPress, which I am, they're very helpful. They help you, especially if you have a business account. If not, there are tutorials everywhere. This is really what everybody's doing right now. It's verifying their domain name. So if you don't know me yet, I'm Angelique Binet. I'm the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to grow their influence online, even if they don't know where to start with social media to monetize their message. One of the ways we use is, Facebook ads. But before we go there, we build your foundation on social media in a way that feels you, so that you become visible 24/7. I hope this helps. Share away if you know someone who needs to actually run ads on Facebook and Instagram and they haven't verified their website yet. Ciao, ciao.